Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Hepzibah, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In the previous video, we discussed about the a small intro on natural dyes, the sources and classification. In this video, we will have a discussion on the extraction methods of natural dyes. Natural dyes, as we know, the sources are plants, insects and minerals. We have to extract the dye from any of the source to make it more useful. Efficient extraction helps in high quality coloration of textiles, food and cosmetics. The first type of extraction is aqueous extraction. Here water is used as the solvent. So aqueous extraction involves boiling the plant material in hot water at about 100 degrees Celsius for 30 to 90 minutes, then filtering and concentrating the extract. It is very simple, safe and cost effective, suitable for tannins and flavonoids. However, there is loss of hydrophobic pigments limiting its use with water insoluble dyes. We can go only for water soluble dyes. Water insoluble dyes cannot be extracted by this method. Second one is solvent extraction. Here we use other solvents other than ethanol or water. Organic solvents like ethanol, methanol, acetone, which are used to dissolve pigments, can be utilized here. So they offer very high yield and also work well for carotenoids and chlorophyll. For example, when you take aqueous extraction, they work well for flavonoids. Here, carotenoids and chlorophyll. So you have a group of dyes which are suitable for different extraction methods. So, but here the solvent is costly. Some of the solvents are flammable. They may require some safety precautions. So, but these solvents can be recovered and can be used again and again and again. So, choosing a solvent is very essential. Choosing the right kind of extraction is also very essential. The next one is acid and alkali extraction. Here you have to adjust the pH range to make the dye soluble and it to be made stable also. Uh, as we very well know, uh, acidic pH means it is from 1 to 6.9, then 7 is neutral, then 7.1 to 14, it is alkaline pH. So when you want to have acidic, in acidic conditions, red or purple anthocyanins, they are very stable, while alkaline condition extract tannins and yellow brown dyes. So you can just adjust the pH of the particular extract, that is a solution bath, and then you can try extracting the dye from the particular source. There are certain modern methods of extracting natural dyes also. The first one is microwave assisted extraction. Here we have microwave energy, which is uh, used for breaking the cell wall and releasing the dye stuff. Here it is very fast and high yield and needs very less solvent, more energy efficient, but it may damage the heat sensitive pigments when the temperature is very high. So we have to be very careful when we go for such kind of microwave assisted extraction. So our conventional methods we have seen aqueous, solvent, acid base, acid alkali. Here this is microwave assisted extraction. One more modern method is ultrasound. By using ultrasound energy also we can extract natural dyes. So that is also possible by creating bubbles. Next one is fermentation extraction. It's a very eco-friendly method of extracting natural dyes. Here microorganisms are used to break down the plant tissues, converting the precursor into dye molecules. So this process is also very eco-friendly and improves color yield, but it is very slow fermentation process. Using microorganisms here, it is very slow and requires controlled conditions during fermentation. So here usually we have used this fermentation extraction for indigo and tannin extraction. So this fermentation extraction cannot be a very novel method or is not a modern method, but it has been identified for extracting. Fermentation is a very traditional method, but this fermentation method is used for is identified for the extraction of natural dyes. So effective dye extraction depends on the pigment type and desired yield. So selecting a suitable extraction method and selecting the suitable route uh, will help us to extract a good quality natural dye. Thank you.